Halo, selamat pagi semua. Patrisius Jiwandono di sini. Selamat tersesat di channel saya ya. Tadi saya tidak akan menyesatkan Anda. Nah, pada kesempatan kali ini yang akan saya perkenalkan adalah bagaimana menulis dalam bahasa Inggris dengan membahas satu poin, kemudian pindah ke poin berikutnya. Di dalam bahasa Inggris ini disebut sebagai enumeration. Enumeration artinya menjelaskan dari satu hal ke hal lainnya. Atau lebih tepatnya, satu hal dijelaskan, kemudian satu hal lagi berpindah ke satu hal lagi, dan itu ada penjelasannya, dan demikian seterusnya, sehingga terjadilah satu esai yang intinya itu menjelaskan beberapa hal. Yang diurutkan, umumnya diurutkan mulai dari yang paling penting sampai yang paling kurang penting. Itu namanya enumeration. Nah, ini biasanya kita gunakan di dalam menulis sebuah konten. Kalau Anda perhatikan konten-konten di YouTube atau di media sosial lainnya, di blog misalnya, itu mulai dengan kata-kata atau judul seperti ini. 5 alasan untuk hidup sehat. Nah, atau 5 cara untuk hidup sehat dan bahagia misalnya. Atau 7 alasan misalnya. 7 alasan kenapa Anda harus menghindari rokok. Ya, atau misalnya inilah 3 cara orang-orang ini menjadi sukses. Ya, seperti itu. Jadi topik-topik itu akan menyajikan poin demi poin, dan setiap poin kemudian dibahas sebelum pindah ke poin berikutnya. Jadi itu adalah satu teknik populer di dalam penulisan konten. Masih ingat ya, dalam bahasa Inggris jadi disebut enumeration. Oke, saya akan menerangkan paparan saya ini dalam bahasa Inggris yang sederhana, sehingga Anda bisa mengikutinya dengan mudah, kemudian Anda bisa menerapkannya dalam tulisan Anda sendiri. Oke, mari kita simak video saya.
Okay, here is the topic for today. Writing, presenting items from the most to the least important. This is also called enumeration. Enumeration means listing from one thing to another, listing several things, making a list and explaining one by one. That's enumeration. Okay, let's get into the material. So again, what is this for? What is this type of organization for? That is to present several features or characteristics of a certain object or concept. So if you have in mind several features of something, several features of characteristics of something, either it is a concept or object, then you can use this kind of organization. You can organize your ideas according to this type of structure. Okay, so for example, you have the idea of writing about the benefits of afternoon nap, or 5 reasons why you should buy an Apple device. See, these are the titles or the topics that will require organization, this kind of organization that is listing or explaining from the most important to the least important. You are going to present one by one. For example, the first benefit, the second benefit, the third benefit, etc. The first reason, the second reason, the third reason, etc. Well, of course, the subtitles doesn't have to read like first, second, or third. That will be clumsy. Yeah? You can be more flexible by offering or by writing some more interesting subtitles. Okay, let's see the further. So this is the organization. First, you have to write the introduction. How to write the introduction? Write a few things that are common problems. Again, present the problems first. Start your essay with a description of common problems. And then you offer a general solution Yeah, and finish off with sentences that lead to the several steps or several characteristics or several features. Now that is how you present the first paragraphs of your essay. So the problems first, overall problems, and then present the solution. And your solution should be put like that. I mean, your solution should read like a sentences that lead to the several steps or characteristics or features. Yeah. Okay, let's see the example. See, this is the problems. If you are active in online social media, chances are you are vulnerable to harsh criticisms or troll on your posting. Yeah, this is a problem, a common problem, for those who are active in social media. A few of the comments may be valuable for you to think further, but some of them may simply be mean, sarcastic, or downright rude. The latter ones could be very disheartening for you. In fact, you don't need to feel intimidated by those haters. There are ways to avoid being hurt or downhearted by others' harsh responses. Now see, the final sentence is very important. It leads the readers to several ways, to several items, several factors that you are going to explain further in the rest of your essay. Now that's how you start an essay with this kind of organization. Describe the problems and finish it off with sentences that lead to several aspects, several characteristics, several features that will solve the problem, that will respond to the problem. Okay. Now, how to present the items themselves, how to present the factors, the causes, the reasons, the benefits, etc. Here are the ways. So still, this continues the previous slide. First is controlling your temper. Now you write it down, controlling your temper as your subtitle. Yeah, and then you write it down. You explain what you mean by controlling your temper. Yeah. For example, you cannot let your temper control you. If you find yourself being emotionally triggered by a few rude comments on your social media, take a deep breath and wait until the anger fades away, etc., etc. So you explain your subtitle. Okay, and then comes the next way or the next point, filtering out comments. Read all comments carefully, decide if you really need to respond to every one of them. Some comments are just spontaneous, nonsense remarks that are not worthy of your attention. Ignore these. Focus on those comments which make you rethink and reconsider the issue. See? So this is the second item. And again, as with what you did in this previous item, you also explain the second subtitle. You also explain or elaborate. Yeah, elaborate means explain further, explain deeper. Yeah. You explain what you mean by filtering out comments. Okay, so again, this is the way, a simple way of organizing your thoughts when you want to enumerate several points. Okay. Okay, let's get into the examples. 3 ways to lose weight. This is your idea, this is your topic, and then you can begin listing the 3 ways. First, eating regular meals without snack in between. And then this dots means that you have to explain it further. You have to elaborate it further. Doing at least 20-minute light exercise. That's the second way. Can you explain it in the dots? The dots means that you have to explain it more. Drinking a lot of water. Again, you have to explain what you mean by drinking a lot of water. Okay. Now the other topic or another topic might be 3 reasons why these people succeed. And then you have first one is the first reason is they have clear goal in mind. Then can you explain it? You elaborate your idea here. You write more. You write further about having clear goal in mind. Yeah. They maintain their passion. Again, this is your subtitle. And again, you have to elaborate your subtitle. You have to elaborate your idea. You have to explain further. Maybe you have to provide illustrations or examples or facts or data from here and there. Yeah. And then the third one is they don't give up easily. The third reason is that they don't give up easily. Okay, and then again you explain it further. So these are examples of how you are going to develop a topic using this kind of enumeration, listing from one point to the next. Okay. Okay, keep writing and good luck. See you again in my next episode.